The Social Work Solution presents Mental Health Resources. Hi, my name is Gina, and I am obtaining my Master's in Social Welfare at Stony Brook University. I am currently interning in person at Sachem Library and virtually at Comstock Library. Please reach out if you have any questions.
And hello, my name is Christine, and I'm a social work intern with Longwood Public Library. I am presently with them on Thursdays from 1 to 8 virtually. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me.
So the outline for today is what is mental health, psychiatric emergencies for adult and children, inpatient/outpatient, crisis intervention, information/referral, free/low-cost medication, peer/self-help services, self-help support groups, youth centers, EPIC, literature, teletherapy, and hotlines.
So we're going to talk about mental health. What is mental health? Well, it's the well-being of the mind. It is that vital part of humans which contributes positive effects to the physical, spiritual, and socioeconomic aspects of our lives. Mental health is primary in helping good things in our life and is the vehicle that helps us work towards hopes, dreams, and aspirations. Nevertheless, we cannot talk about mental health without considering mental illness. In the USA alone, a reported 1 in 5 individuals will receive a mental health diagnosis of some type in their lifetime. Unfortunately, because of the shame or stigma often associated with mental health diagnosis, many people fail to seek help when they need it most. Emergency service. It provides rapid psychiatric or medical stabilization. They ensure the safety of persons who present a risk to themselves or others. The program types range from crisis counseling and residential services to comprehensive psychiatric emergency programs, better known as CPEP. Home-based crisis intervention services for children are designed to provide crisis service to families when a child is in imminent risk for psychiatric hospitalizations. Here is a list of some children's psychiatric emergency phone numbers. The Suffolk County Mobile Crisis Team is available 7 days a week from 10 to 11 p.m. Mental health clinics for children for 7 years and up. The locations are in Shirley and in Patchogue. Farmingville Mental Health Crisis Center is 6 years and up. Just for Kids Diagnostic Treatment Centers in Middle Island, Comprehensive Emergency Psychiatric Department in Stony Brook, and Sagamore Children's Psychiatric Center in Dix Hills and in Patchogue. Some adult psychiatric emergencies, the CPEP program at Stony Brook, the mobile crisis team again, the response hotline, suicide prevention, the Talbot House, which is a 24-hour substance abuse crisis, domestic violence and sexual assault 24-hour hotline, as well as the Long Island Council on Alcoholism and Drug Dependence. So what are in and outpatient services? An outpatient service provides treatment and rehabilitation in settings such as clinics, partial hospital programs, and day treatments. Inpatient services provide stabilization and intensive treatment and rehabilitation with 24-hour care in a controlled environment. Here are some outpatient programs. Brookhaven Mental Health Crisis Center is in Shirley and Patchogue location. Catholic Health Charities have Bayshore Center and at Medford Center. The Family Service League has locations in Bayshore, Center Moriches, Central Islip, East Yaphank, and Huntington. Mary Haven is in Yaphank. The Hope House Ministries is in Port Jeff, and New Horizons in Smithtown, as well as Well Life Network in Coram and Smithtown. Some inpatient programs: Long Island Community Hospital in Patchogue, Mathers Memorial Hospital in Port Jefferson, St. Catherine's of Siena in Smithtown, Huntington Hospital in Huntington, Pilgrim Psych Center in Brentwood, Stony Brook University in Stony Brook, and the Veterans Administration in Northport. Crisis care and intervention. Crisis care is a residential and non-residential service to reduce acute symptoms and restore individuals to pre-crisis levels of functioning. These services include short-term interventions with family members to prevent hospitalizations of their child. So some of the locations is DASH, it's a 24-hour hotline, Adult Protective Services, Child Protective Services, and the Long Island Crisis Center. Information and referrals. Here's a list of the Suffolk Division of Community Mental Hygiene, Department of Social Services, Social Security information, the New York Office of Mental Health, and Office of Mental Health, the Long Island location. There's free and low-cost medication. One of them is the medicine program. The phone number is listed here. It assists patients who cannot afford to pay for prescription medication. In order to be eligible, the applicant's income is at the level which causes a hardship when the patient is required to purchase the medication at retail. Applicant has no insurance coverage for outpatient prescription drugs. The applicant does not qualify for any government program which provides prescription medication, such as Medicaid. There's also some pharmaceutical companies that offer free medication to low-income families. They do require a doctor's consent and proof of your financial status. Depending on your insurance coverage, you may be able to apply. A few companies allow family incomes as high as $40,000 annually. For a list of current companies, visit the website below. There's something called EPIC, which stands for Elderly Pharmaceutical Insurance Coverage. The phone number is listed here. It provides seniors with co-payment assistance for Medicare Part D covered prescription drugs after any Part D deductible is met. EPIC also covers many Medicare Part D excluded drugs. Then there is the New York Prescription Discount Card. It's free to sign up. All state residents can get it no matter what your income, and you can possibly save up to 75%. Then finally, there's a website called GoodRx. It allows you to compare prescription drug prices before you go pick up your medication.
So the Association of Mental Health and Wellness, the services include support groups, advocacy, professional training and conferences, information and referral services, speakers bureau, recovery and wellness specialist training classes, housing, veterans groups, case management and coordination, and workforce training. So please check out this website below for services and who to specifically contact for each service. The address is in Ronkonkoma, and the phone number is 1-631-471-7242. Holly Schroeder Mental Health Services. The services that she includes is therapy, medication referrals, and online courses. She offers individual sessions in person or virtually, depending on the person's comfort level, and she can see anyone over the age of 12. There are no groups running right now, but she hopes to incorporate those again when able to. Please contact 631-647-0511 for more information, or please see the website below. Her address is in Holbrook. So some support groups, Mathers Hospital created a list of various support groups that include Alcoholics Anonymous, a bereavement support group, and a smoking cessation support group. For more information on these and many other support groups, please visit the website. St. Charles Hospital also created a list of various support groups as well, such as Al-Anon Family Support Groups, Narcotics Anonymous, and a Parkinson's Disease Support Group. For more information on these and many other support groups, please visit the website below. Also, Empower Vida is a Latinx support group that addresses the diverse needs of Latinx LGBT individuals in terms of sexual help and emotional and social support. Their main focus is LGBT individuals under the age of 45, but they welcome any member of the Spanish-speaking LGBT community who may need support in any way. For more information, please contact 516-469-0494 or email the website below. I also host my own support groups. I host Caregivers Alliance. This group provides caregivers an open and free space to discuss the issues they face and then receive support from the group. I also host Relax and Connect, and this group provides a place where people can connect and discuss topics like mindfulness, COVID stress, and self care. For more information on these groups, you can contact myself. The Brookhaven Youth Bureau. It's a free counseling program for children ages 12 to 24. Anyone that age can come, but they specialize in runaway services. They provide crisis intervention, individual and or family counseling, support groups, housing referrals, advocacy with community services, and case management. They also have a backpack program and various clothing/food drives and other opportunities for youth. If you're interested, you could call the number 631-451-8011, and if they can't help you there, they will find the best place for you. The hours are listed below, which is Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., and they're located in Farmingville. There's also SEO Family of Services. The organization offers family, community, teen and young adult, children and health and wellness, and intellectual and developmental disability services. If you or a family member are in need of assistance, please call 516-671-1253. They have a variety of locations in Ronkonkoma, Brentwood, Westbury, Dix Hills, and Brooklyn, so please see the website below for more information. So we have some literature to read about mental health. We have the National Institute of Mental Health's mental health topics, the National Alliance on Mental Illness, resources on children's mental health, coping with a disaster or traumatic event, and we can all prevent suicide resources if you are interested. There's also what is teletherapy. It refers to therapy that is provided by a licensed and certified therapist via a secure video connection, such as Zoom, Google Hangout, or Skype. It is very popular now because of the COVID pandemic these days. The key benefits of teletherapy is convenience, higher comfort level, access to providers you typically wouldn't see otherwise, and built-in social distancing. So if you're interested, please contact the counselor you see or contact us for more information. We also have a variety of hotlines. We have the mental health helpline, responsive Suffolk County, the Spanish speaking line, and the English speaking line, and the Suffolk County Department of Social Services if you are interested. So thank you so much for watching this video. You could see me at Sachem Library in person from 10 to 3 on Wednesdays and Fridays, or you can email sw.intern@sachemlibrary.org. I'm also available at Comsquag Library virtually from 10 to 3 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays, or you can email socialworkintern@cplib.org.
Again, my name is Christine, and I'm with the Longwood Library in Middle Island and the surrounding area. I'm there Thursdays from 1 to 8, all virtual. If you want to reach out to me, you can ask us at longwoodlibrary.org.
So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you all have a good day.
Thank you for joining us.